In this video, I'll show you how to accept a quote in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to click on quotes. And on the quotes section, you will see your quotes. Now, on the status, this is set as sent. Now, in order for you to accept a quote, what you want to do is simply hover your mouse on the quote and just simply click on it. And from here, you want to head over to the top and right corner and click on Mark as Accepted. Now, once you mark as accepted, this is where you can turn it to an invoice. Now, if you head over back to the quote section, you'll see that the status is now set as accepted. And at the top, you will also see that on the accepted tab, it is already in here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.